Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a coffee shop early in the morning before it opens. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a new employee and her manager. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. Why is a croissant called a croissant? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ava. You are right on time.
Good morning, Derek. Thank you for waiting for me.
How are you feeling? This is your first early work time.
Honestly, I am a little nervous. I checked my alarm clock 5 times last night.
5 times? That sounds like me on my first day here, 10 years ago.
Really? You were nervous too?
Of course. Everyone is nervous at the start. It is a new job, and it is very early in the morning.
I kept thinking, what if I do not wake up when my alarm rings? What if I am late on my first day?
But you are not late. You are here, and you are ready. That is what matters.
I just don't want to make a mistake.
You will not make a big mistake today. I will be with you every step of the way. We will do this together.
That makes me feel better.
Let's go inside. It is still dark now, but in 1 hour, this street will be full of people and coffee smells.
I like the sound of that.
Here is my key. Watch how I open the back door. Every morning, we check that the door is locked before we go in, just to be safe.
Got it. Lock check first.
Exactly. Now, let's turn on the lights.
I'm ready, Derek.
Good. Let's start our day.
Derek, can I ask you something?
Of course. Anything.
Does it ever feel strange to wake up this early every single day?
At the start, yes, but now my body just knows. I wake up before my alarm rings.
I hope that happens to me too.
It will, after a few weeks, and there's always coffee here.
That is true. At least we work in a coffee shop.
Exactly. Now let's get started. This is our espresso machine. It needs about 15 minutes to warm up, so we turn it on first.
It is bigger than I thought.
It looks big, but it is not hard to use once you learn the steps. First, we turn this switch to the on position.
Okay, I see the light. It is turning on now.
While it warms up, we measure our coffee beans. Watch me. I put 18 grams of ground coffee into this small metal cup.
18 grams. That is a very exact number.
Yes, we always use the same amount. Then, we want about 36 grams of coffee at the end. That is 2 shots of espresso.
So the coffee that comes out is twice the amount that goes in?
Right. We use 18 grams in, and we get 36 grams out. That is what we always do.
18 in, 36 out. I will remember that.
If we measure it the right way, the coffee tastes just right. Not too strong, not too weak.
What happens if I use too little coffee?
Then the drink can taste thin and a little sour. Too much coffee, and it can taste too strong and bitter.
I want to get it right from the start.
You will. Here, you try. Measure 18 grams for me.
Okay, this feels heavier than I expected.
Good job. Now press every part the same way with this tool.
Like this?
Perfect. You're a fast learner, Ava.
Thank you, Derek. This is fun.
Now let's check the water and milk. We need enough for the morning rush.
How much milk do we usually use in one morning?
On a normal day, we use about 4 large bottles.
That is a lot of milk.
It is. Many customers order lattes and cappuccinos, so milk goes fast.
Got it. What is next after this?
Next, we clean the floor and get the register ready for the day. Now that the machine is warming up, let's clean the floor area and get the register ready.
What do we do first?
We clean every table. Customers like to see clean tables when they walk in.
I can start on this side.
Great. I will bring the chairs down from the tables.
These chairs are heavy.
You will get used to it. After a few days, it will feel easy.
I hope so. What do we do after the tables?
Next, we open the front door lock, but we do not turn the sign to open yet. Then we get the cash register ready.
How do we do that?
Every morning before we open, we put money into the register. We call this the starting money.
The starting money. What is that exactly?
It is money we keep in the register so we can give customers their change. We usually put in about $100.
$100 just sitting in the register?
Yes, it is in small bills in coins so we can give change easily. Watch me count it.
Okay.
20, 40, 60, 80, $100. Now we write the number down in this book.
Why do we write it down?
So at the end of the day, we know exactly how much money should be in the register.
That makes sense. It keeps everything correct.
Exactly. Now, can you check the coffee cups and napkins? Make sure we have enough for the morning.
I will do it now.
Perfect. We are almost ready to open.
Should I turn on the music too?
Yes, good idea. We keep it soft in the morning, nothing too loud.
Something calm and easy to listen to.
Exactly. Many of our morning customers just want a quiet place to sit before work.
That makes sense. I will choose something relaxing.
Great choice. Now, one more thing. Can you check that the milk and sugar station is full?
I will fill it right now.
Thank you. We're almost ready for the day.
Hi there. I have your bread today.
Oh, hello. You must be Marcus. Derek told me you come every morning.
That's right. Are you new here?
Yes, this is my first day. Derek is inside, but he said I could bring in the bread.
No problem. I have croissants, muffins, and some fresh bread today.
Wow, this box feels warm.
Yes, everything came out of the oven about 30 minutes ago.
It smells amazing.
Thank you. Can you sign here, please?
Sure, just my name here?
Yes, that's right. By the way, do you know why we call these croissants?
No, actually, I do not.
It is a French word for this curved shape. It looks like part of the moon.
Oh, I never noticed that before. That is a nice detail.
I think about it every morning when I bring the bread.
I will remember that. It makes the bread feel more special.
How many boxes do you need today? I have 3 boxes total.
Let me check the list. Yes, 3 boxes is correct.
Great. Here you go. Be careful. This box is a little heavy.
I can carry it. Thank you so much, Marcus.
You are welcome. Good luck on your first day.
Thank you. I will need it.
You will do fine. See you tomorrow morning.
See you tomorrow. Have a good day.
Oh, one more thing. Tell Derek the muffins today are blueberry and banana.
I will let him know right away.
And if any boxes look wet, just call our office. Sometimes it rains on the way.
Good to know. Thank you for telling me.
No problem. This job keeps me busy every morning, but I enjoy it.
I can tell. You seem happy to be here.
I like meeting new people at every shop. It makes the mornings more fun.
Well, it was very nice to meet you, Marcus.
You too, Ava. Take care and enjoy your first day.
Ava, did the bread arrive?
Yes, Marcus brought 3 boxes. I already put them in the kitchen.
Perfect timing. Now it is almost 5 o'clock. Let's bring out our sign.
This wooden board? What do we write on it?
This is called a signboard. Small coffee shops like ours use it to welcome people on the street.
What should we write today?
Every day I write something different. Sometimes it is the weather, sometimes a small message for our customers.
Can I write it today?
Sure, go ahead. Here's the chalk.
Okay, how about good morning, fresh coffee and warm croissants inside?
I like that. Short and friendly.
Should I draw something too?
Yes, a small picture is nice. Maybe a cup of coffee or a sun?
I will draw a sun, since the sun is coming up right now.
Perfect. That looks great, Ava.
Thank you. Where should we put the sign?
Right outside the front door so people walking by can see it easily.
Like this?
A little more to the left. Yes, right there. Now people will see it from both directions.
This is exciting. We are really about to open.
We are. In 1 minute, I will turn the sign to open.
I'm ready.
Then let's do it together.
Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We are open.
I can already see someone walking toward the door.
That is usually how it goes. Customers who come every day come early.
I feel ready now. A little nervous still, but mostly ready.
That is completely normal. Just remember the steps we practiced.
The right amount of coffee for the espresso, the register, and a friendly smile.
Exactly. You have everything you need.
Thank you for teaching me so well this morning.
You're welcome. Now go say hello to your first customer.
Good morning. Am I your first customer today?
Yes, actually, you are. Good morning and welcome.
Nice. I like being first. I come here almost every morning.
Then I hope I can make you a great coffee.
I am sure you will. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Of course. Would you like it hot or with ice?
Hot, please. It is a little cold outside this morning.
Would you like anything else? We also have fresh croissants this morning.
Oh, actually, yes. I will take one, please.
Great choice. 1 medium hot latte and 1 croissant. That will be $4.25.
Here you go. $5. Keep the change.
Thank you so much.
So, is this your first day?
Yes, it is. I am a little nervous, but I've been practicing all morning.
Well, you do not look nervous. You seem very calm.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
Here, let me try the coffee.
Please, tell me what you think.
This is really good coffee. It tastes smooth, not bitter at all.
I am so happy to hear that. My manager taught me the right way to make it this morning.
Well, it worked. This coffee is very good.
That makes my whole morning, Tom.
You will do great here. Do you know this shop has the best coffee on this street?
I am so glad to hear that. I will remember what you ordered for next time.
I like that. I will see you again tomorrow.
I'm happy I will see you again. Have a wonderful day, Tom.
You too. Enjoy your first day.
How do you feel now, Ava?
Honestly, I feel amazing. That first customer, Tom, really liked my coffee.
I saw that. You made his coffee perfectly. using the right amount of coffee every time.
I kept thinking about what you taught me. We use 18 grams and we get 36 grams out.
And it worked. You should be proud of yourself.
This morning, I was so worried I would forget something or make a mistake.
I remember you checked your alarm clock 5 times, right?
Yes, but now everything feels different. I understand how the whole morning works.
You learned so much today. The machine, the money in the register, the sign outside, and bringing in the bread with Marcus.
It was a lot, but it all makes sense now. Every step has a reason.
Exactly. And you took the bread order by yourself.
I was nervous, but Marcus was very kind. He even told me why croissants are called that.
The story about a moon with a curved shape. I love that one too.
Me too. It is a small detail, but it made the morning feel special.
You know, Ava, I think tomorrow you will be able to open the shop with me no problem at all.
Really? You trust me with all of this already?
I do. You listened carefully, you asked good questions, and you stayed calm with our first customer.
Thank you, Derek. This means so much to me.
You worked hard today. Welcome to the team, Ava.
Thank you. I cannot wait for tomorrow morning.
For now, more customers are coming. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Let's keep going.
That sounds good. Let's get back to work.
Right behind you, Derek.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. Why is a croissant called a croissant? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.